What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Peep the rug. Peep the rug. This is the newest edition. Anyway, let's get to the point of today's video. There's gonna be a quick video. It's kind of like a PSA. I've had people tell me this in the past. I wasn't really listening to it. I've seen it happen, but it kind of just like whew, poof, escaped my mind like a fart in the wind. So if you're not paying attention, this is one of those things that could come back to bite you in the ass real hard, real quick. Do you see this container? What's wrong with this? What's wrong with this container? Look at this. You see these lines? That's from this. This is an air freshener. And I'm gonna tell you right off the rip, anybody that hangs air fresheners, for instance, I mean, I know a lot of my followers probably don't do that, but anybody that hangs an air freshener, for instance, from like here, or you have an air freshener touching anything, especially something like this material, or leather, any kind of Alcantara, any kind of plastic material, it will destroy that material. This was sitting in there, just like free balling, raw dogging, going all, see like the marks? It just sat there with various different positions, various different points of life that it must have like been pinned against something while it was sitting in here. And this, whatever is in the makeup, the chemistry, the infrastructure, the shenanigans that create this and make this what it is, makes it stink so good, will make it so messed up. And I just kind of wanted to show you this in a video. I kind of just wanted to make sure you had a little bit of a visual aid so that you could say to yourself, the smell is not worth the long-term problem that you're gonna have. And that leads me to this section here. This is why for me, like, I'm not gonna get into specific brands or this and that, but for me, the types of air fresheners I use, I like these scented bags. It also depends on like what kind of company you like, what brand you like. Some brands make it, some brands don't, the scent you like. For me, I tend to like always search for citrus squash. Anything with like a sandalwood type scent, I stick with those two basic scents. This smells good. I can't find these anywhere anymore at the moment, but I do like those type of air fresheners. I like this, again, citrus squash. This is a spray-on one. Any type of air freshener that you can spray on to the carpet is definitely good. Chemical Guy's Signature Scent is probably one of the only Chemical Guy's products that I actually fully like. Shine Supply, this is one of the best smelling spray-on things that you could get. This is Cruisin, and it is a makeup of the Cruise interior, matte interior cleaner, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. And oh, I should have known it was going to be right up in the front. Delicious, a most amazing little scent ever. One of the best smells though. I don't have the actual original bottle for the other one, but this, dude, Angelwax Bliss is just amazing. They have Bliss and Eden. Bliss is the way to go. The other option you could do is the one that I have currently in there, because I don't have the scented ball sacks at the moment, the scented sackaroonies. I got this type of thing I'm going to show you real quick. Again, citrus squash. Comes with cartridge refills. I can link it down below, but you go up in here and you look down here, and it has little sticky, but this is what that one should look like. But again, it's got a little cartridge in there, and then when the scent isn't quite scenting the way a scent should, you can just replace the cartridge. But it's super quick, easy, and again, that's single hand, right? This just goes back down, and because it's adhesive, I just stick that down there, and I really don't have problems. What I like about that is I don't ever have to worry about this. Again, this is not to lure you into some thirst trap to buy this product, buy this company, buy whatever you want. I'm just trying to warn you, if you're gonna have this type of air freshener, what I do with these types of air fresheners when they come, I keep them in my garage, or I hang them up here or anywhere, or I put it inside the garbage can by the entrance of it. This is another one I kind of like because it's confined to a bottle. So this is one of my other favorite air fresheners by CarPro, the Sky Blue. It's amazing. You just tilt that there and it absorbs into the cap. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. If you don't want these type of marks to happen to your vehicle, your interior, do not use these type of air fresheners. I know some people are gonna say, oh, well, I only pull it out like a little Christmas tree and I pull it out the top. It's not the same, it's not good, it doesn't make any sense. And I will give you another example. I had those stick-on ones. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show the discoloration here. Oh yeah, see, look, there we go. You see, like right down here, I had magnets that were just sticking there and it just messed up the paint. If you don't want to have to deal with that, avoid these and avoid things that are going to stick on, unless it's a magnet that sticks to something that's magnetized, that's not actually having the scent touch the interior of your car. Because I can tell you right now, this is indented. I don't know if you can see that in there. Let's see if I can try to give you this before we go here. There's actually a ridge in here, a lip in here. Let me see if I can get the sound. My nail catches because it like deformed the plastic in there and made it all wonky. And that can't ever be fixed. This ain't gonna get fixed. This is ruined. So, I mean, I'm gonna keep this as a reminder of what not to do. But anyway, I love you guys. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. And if you want your car to smell good, at least understand that smelling good and looking good are two different things, okay? If it smells like crap for a day versus looking like crap forever, you gotta deal with that. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one.